Hi! In this lesson today, we are going to talk about the word order in simple sentences. In the first lesson, we looked into the word order in some simple sentences. Today, we take a look at the sentences that start with a time phrase. You might remember that a verb takes the second place in a sentence. It is the same when a sentence starts with a time phrase. Let us take a look at an example.
På mandag går jeg på norskkurs. På mandag går jeg på norskkurs.
On Monday, I go to the Norwegian course. På mandag is our time phrase. Går is a verb which comes right after it. Jeg, subject, it follows the verb. So, literally translated into English, the sentence sounds like, on Monday go I to the Norwegian course. This word order could be confusing at first, but it will become more natural when you practice making your own sentences. So remember, after a time phrase, the verb also takes the second place. Let's take a look at more examples.
I dag jobber jeg hjemme. I dag jobber jeg hjemme.
Today I work at home.
Nå bor jeg i Oslo. Nå bor jeg i Oslo.
I live in Oslo now.
For tiden jobber jeg som arkitekt. For tiden jobber jeg som arkitekt.
At the moment, I work as an architect. We can also use other words that express a time frame. Ask yourself the question when if you are unsure. For example,
På mandag går jeg på tur. På mandag går jeg på tur.
I go for a walk on Monday.
Hver dag etter jobb lager jeg middag. Hver dag etter jobb lager jeg middag.
Every day after work, I make dinner. We can also use a more natural for English speakers word order, where the subject comes first. For example,
Jeg bor i Oslo nå.
I live in Oslo now. However, the word order with a time phrase at the beginning of a sentence is also common, and you will hear it quite often in Norwegian.